Welcome to this tutorial on how to use CoinMarketCap for trading. CoinMarketCap is a leading cryptocurrency data aggregator that provides real-time pricing and market data for over 2,000 cryptocurrencies. To get started, first navigate to the CoinMarketCap website and familiarize yourself with the layout. The homepage displays a list of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, along with their current price, market cap, and 24-hour trading volume. To find a specific cryptocurrency, use the search bar at the top of the page. For example, if you are looking for Bitcoin, simply type in Bitcoin and press enter. This will take you to the Bitcoin page, which displays a detailed overview of the cryptocurrency, including its current price, market cap, and trading volume. You can also view the Bitcoin price chart, which displays the cryptocurrency's price history over a given time period. One of the most useful features of CoinMarketCap is the ability to compare different cryptocurrencies. To do this, navigate to the Compare page, where you can select up to 5 different cryptocurrencies to compare. This allows you to easily see the differences in price, market cap, and trading volume between different cryptocurrencies. When using CoinMarketCap for trading, it is essential to understand the different types of market data that are available. The market cap of a cryptocurrency is a measure of its total value, and is calculated by multiplying the current price by the total supply of coins. The 24-hour trading volume is a measure of the total amount of cryptocurrency that has been traded in the last 24 hours. To make informed trading decisions, it is also important to stay up to date with the latest market trends and news. CoinMarketCap provides a news section, where you can find the latest articles and updates on the cryptocurrency market. You can also use the calendar feature to stay informed about upcoming events and announcements that may impact the market. In addition to providing market data, CoinMarketCap also allows you to track your portfolio and set price alerts. To track your portfolio, navigate to the Portfolio page, where you can add the cryptocurrencies that you own, along with the amount that you own. This allows you to easily see the value of your portfolio and track its performance over time. To set a price alert, navigate to the Price Alert page, where you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to track, and set a target price. By following these steps and using the features and tools available on CoinMarketCap, you can make informed trading decisions and stay up to date with the latest market trends and news. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.